Hi, this is Aishling here from Clare County Libraries. So in our last video we made a really nice puppet, and for Cruinniu today we are going to show you how to make a really cool puppet theatre. So it's really easy to make, and all you really need is a cardboard box. So all my friends here are going to help me show you how to make a puppet theatre. So all you really need to make your lovely puppet theatre is a cardboard box. And with this cardboard box, what I've done is I've just folded out all the flaps. So when you open it all up, you just leave all the flaps as they are and you just fold them all out. And what I've done is I've painted them white. So what you can do, if you don't have paints, you could maybe stick some white paper on here, but we're going to decorate all these bits. So I'll show you what we're going to do there. So what you need to get an adult to do is the top of the cardboard box. So your theatre is going to be the inside of the box and the top of it then. So you're going to have to get an adult to help you to cut all of this part for you, and you're going to leave this part joined on, so you don't have to cut this part off, because when you're all finished playing with your theatre, you can fold it all back down and you can fold down all the flaps and you'll be able to store everything in the box. So if you just get an adult to go along here and cut about this much, so you need this space so you can dangle all your puppets in here. So the top part here is going to be the top of your theatre. What I've done is I've just curled some pipe cleaners around here and hooked them on here, and that'll let the top piece stay standing upright. But what you can do as well is you can just maybe, if you have some tape or sellotape or any kind of tape, you could tape this part on here so it stays standing up like this. So for the background, so inside the box, it's going to be the background for your theatre set. So what I've done is I have just got 2 pieces of A4 paper, and because our play is going to be the Gruffalo, I've just cut out loads of different bits of card and made a scene of a tree in the background and the lovely sky. So the reason I use the paper is that you can colour in loads of different backgrounds, and then if you just stick them in with tape or some blue tack for all the different plays that you want to reenact, the background, you can change it every time. So for the top of your theatre, I just made a little nice sun, some clouds, but you can colour in the top of your theatre, or you can do it on a page and stick it on. So you can do all different designs for all the different plays you're going to do. And then for the sides, I just had some lovely red tissue paper. So I stuck that on the sides of my theatre, and that's going to look like curtains. So for this part of your theatre, this is going to be your stage. So you can decorate it with loads of different things. To start with, I've just cut out some green paper, and that's going to be like grass around the edges. I've a zigzaggy pattern. I just put that down just so it looks kind of different on the stage. And then the best part, you get to decorate the whole of your stage with all different props. So anything you can think of, you can use your toys, you can use bits of pebbles that you find outside, bits and pieces that you might find on your walk, or you could use bits and pieces that you might find in the garden. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, but you can use your imagination. You can use loads of different bits and pieces to decorate your stage. Now, so what I've used to decorate my theatre set is I have some stones that I got outside, and I collected these nice bits of moss. So I got some twigs, some branches, and I just stuck them into a blob of Play-Doh so they stand up. So there's another tree there as well, so it kind of looks like a bit like a forest. And I also used our lovely fairy house that we made in a previous video. So these are the type of things that you can use. So you can use all different types of things. You could use your toys. You could even maybe use Lego. That would look really cool. So you can play around with lighting. That's a really important thing if you're gonna stage a play. So if you went to the theatre, one of the big part of the play would be lighting. So what I've done is I had some lovely fairy lights, and then I just had a flash lamp, so I'm using that as my spotlight for my stage. So you can make really nice shadows. You could make a little video of your play. You could move the light around and then all the shadows will move, which looks really nice. And then centre stage you have your lovely Gruffalo. So you can do all sorts of plays with all your different favourite stories. You can use different woodland scenes. You could do you could do Little Red Riding Hood. That would be a nice one for a woodland scene. So you can have loads of fun decorating your stage, and because you can change the backgrounds if you just draw them on paper, you can have loads of different plays that you can put on for everybody in your home. So I hope you have great fun today making all your different arts and crafts for Cruinniu, and it's bye from Clare Libraries, and we hope to see you very soon. Bye now.